Something that has irked many Kenyans, the push by members of parliament to have their salaries boosted by restoring their sitting and mileage allowance as well. Let's cross over to Leila Mohammed, who's in Kiambu, to find out how the people there are taking that move. Leila?
Well, the conversation here in Kiambu County is all about leaders who are accountable to the people whom they are sent to serve. They say the conversation behind Gathoni Wamuchomba does not really stick to one individual, but they say it should be across all the members of parliament and the political class, not only in Kiambu County, but in the country at large. What they want is, they say, I have spoken to a few people and they have a very deep divide among them. Some of them are saying that it is important for Gathoni to speak the way she did because there are some of the recipients of the funds that she gives them in terms of making sure their siblings or they themselves have gone to school. But others are saying that they did not expect this kind of sentiments from a leader they chose, and they say they will be watching her and her colleagues when they get inaugurated into parliament and make sure that they will keep them up to point in ensuring that these leaders that they have put in power will not only manipulate them by asking for more funds, but actually go there and actually do the core business that has taken them to parliament, and that is to take care of the issues of the people of Kiambu County. So we've had a mixed emotions of issues here in Kiambu, but there is one rallying call that they are not going to back down in terms of kufagia nyoka na mayai wake wote from Kiambu County.